classification of accounts. When we said that in double entry bookkeeping system, we have to record the transaction, and all the transactions will have two aspects. One aspect is fixed assets. So when you drive a vehicle on a road, you need to follow some rules. Everybody has to follow some rules. When you dress, if I am dressing, I need to follow that. I need to wear this tie above my shirt. I cannot wear this tie inside and wear this shirt, right? I am not a Superman who can. Does that make sense? It will be bad, right? So everything has got some rules for us, right? In the same way, when we do accounting, there are certain rules being defined, and they are also very logical rules. They are also very logical rule which we have to follow. To follow that rule, we have to bifurcate. We have to bifurcate all the transaction in three different kinds of accounts. All the transactions are being put in three different buckets, right? The first bucket name is personal account, and the second bucket name is real account. The third bucket is just for easy understanding, I have written just personal and impersonal. Impersonal, what all comes? Impersonal, natural, representative person. What do you mean by natural person? Humans, right? The persons who can talk, who can feel, we can feel, and they can move, right? What are the examples? Ramu, Shamu account, Ramu account, Mahesh account, Hanuman account, Sham account, Vishnu account. They are all persons. Second is artificial. Who are artificial person?
Which is created by law.
Which are created by law. So any business can be termed as business, banks. Who can be sued in the court of law, and they are artificial person being created in the eyes of law. Any private limited company.
Yes, sir.
So what is representative personal account? Please represent. Now everybody is giving answer, but I am asking individually, you are not giving answer. I don't understand. Bharat ko andari potuna. Give me dance చేస్తున్నా. కానీ స్టాండ్ అలోన్ డాన్స్ చేసుకోవాలని చెప్తారా? అంతే కదా? Yes, no, I will also talk. Okay. Chalo, artificial representative person's account is an account which represents that particular person. Give me a classic example.
Outstanding.
Right. Capital or outstanding. Right. Now impersonal account are divided into two, which is real account. What do you mean by real account? It's related to assets.
Cash.
You can give me an example. I want the definition. Definition also in your words, whatever you understand. Cash is an example. You know that, right? I want to understand what do you mean by real. It's related to assets and liabilities. Which will it comes and which will it? That is the rule. Yes. So if I come and go, I am a real account. It's related to assets. You are saying correct. Assets. I want you to define it. The thing that we can touch, feel, and see, and they are not a living being. Is that making sense?
Yes, sir.
Cash can be touched,
Yes, sir.
chair can be touched, laptop can be touched, feel and see, but they are not living beings. They are not personal, right? Making sense?
Yes, sir.
So try to think differently like this and try to prepare your answers. Then only interviewer will be interested in you. Yes or no? Yes? Sure. What is the last one?
Nominal account.
What does the nominal account mean? Very good. But they have to be regarded. All the losses, right? All the expenses, all the. Now you are understanding how to think, yeah? Congratulations. see the rules of golden rules of. So in the night also at 12 o'clock, if I touch and ask you this golden rule, I know you will remember. Why? We have by heart it. Yes. So the personal account rule says that. Real account rule says that. Now stop. Why only debit what comes in? Why not debit what goes out? Real account says that debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Why only debit what comes in? Why not debit what goes out? Why should always we drive on the left hand side of the road? All the bikes, two-wheelers has to be driven on the left. All the cars has to be driven on the right. Have you ever thought why? Rules.
Assets are recorded on the debit side. If we increases, it will be recorded on the debit side.
Yeah. Yes. Why? Yeah. Why it has to be driven on the left side? Yes. Why? Car has to be driven on the right side. Yes. Why? Yes, according to rules. Why that rule has been created? Sorry? I will try. Okay, I will try. Please just think whether it is correct or not. So there is a maximum speed of every vehicle, right? And a minimum speed. A bike can go up to 80, 100, 120, right? But a car can go up to 150, 200, 160, 170, all as well, right? So when you are driving a speed vehicle, you need to have a broader drive. And the person should not be able to come in front of you. So left side road, footpath unde, right? So anybody can come, and if you are driving the car on the left hand side of the road, there is a high possibility of accident, right? And if the bike is riding on the right side and car is riding on the left side, bikes will go slower than cars. That is the reason it has been told that cars has to be driven on the right side and bikes have to be driven on the left side. So whenever car wants to come on the left, the bike can see the car that it is coming and they can slow down. But think that car is going here and bike is coming from there and they want to slow down. It will be a problem. So that could be the logic. In the same way, all this real account, personal account and nominal account has got some logic. So think about one thing. Say that this pen is coming into the business. And this is a real account. Yes. This is a real account. And this pen is coming into the business. So whenever this pen is coming into the business, something other is also happening. I told you about this weighing machine. This pen is in one pan. There has to be second pan. Yes. So now this pen is coming into the business. What can be happen on the other side? Either cash will go, or the data or the credit will increase. Something of this sort will happen. Or if in a barter system, this pen is coming, we are going to consider something, right? So when one account is getting debited, automatically the rule of the second account will be credited. You did not even by heart that. Try to understand what I am saying. What I am saying is, if you know the rule of one account of this pan, if you know the understanding, this second you will get automatically. Now I am saying this is coming in, and I know this is a real account, and the rule says that it has to debit. That means it is coming in. The second has to be a credit. The second can be a personal account or a real account. Yes? The second account can be a personal account, which means that either a creditor will increase or a real account that the cash is going down. So definitely it has to be credited. So that is the reason logically this has been reversed. Making sense? Think more about it, you will understand. Okay? Sure. Next. These are some of the examples. Why I have given you these examples is you will be preparing this type of lectures in your tally. And while preparing these lectures in the Tally, you should be able to understand what kind of account it is, and then accordingly you will be able to prepare the lecture over there. You must have known about this. You might have learned about this as well. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Everybody knows about this. Do you want me to explain any of this? Just have a look at it. Sir, इसको stop करके वापस आओ. I'm sorry.